Hello all. So today we'll be trying another deployment where we'll deploy the code to production manually. So let's see how this can be implemented with the when control. So I'll just go and create a new pipeline for that. So again, we have the stages here: build, deploy dev, and deploy prod of the stages. And here in the build job, we have the stages build. Again, do the building part where you can mention your scripts for building the project. And then we have the deployed app, which is again deploying to the development environments. And we have set the environment as development with the variable name. Then we have the production deployment where we mentioned like this is the stage as deploy pod, and script we are doing the scripts for or invoking the script for the production deployment. And then we have we'll see the implementation of when control, where we have mentioned like this will be like manually we will be deploying with on click of some button. And then we have the other conditions, which is like only whenever it is deployed from the main branch this will be executed. And it needs like the condition whenever the dev deploy is done, then only this will stage should be executed. And again, it has the environment variable set with name as production. So let's see this into action. The build has started, and we can see all the three stages are here. Let's see what are its dependencies. So I'll just slide this button, and we can see deployment prod is dependent on deploy dev. In the meanwhile, it is building the project. Again, if you go inside, you can see which agent it has picked or the runner. This is the by default runner available over GitLab, which is managed by GitLab itself. And then these are the executing the Docker images and pulling your source code from the repository, which is our GitLab in our case. It is building the project, which is again invoking our script, and the build job is done. So it will move to the next stage. So this you can see that stage is also passed. If you go to the logs, again you will see it is running over the same GitLab runner. And then we have other things, which is like again check out the code, and it is doing the deployment in the dev environment. Now we can see it has paused at this step, and we can see a wheel sign here. If you see, this is dependent on the dev. So once it is success, it will be executed, and we need to execute manually because we have mentioned that over the YAML pipeline for running it manually. So how to run it? Just click on this, and we can see it has started executing the production deployment. Again, it is using the GitLab runner from the GitLab, and it's pulling the Docker image with Ruby 3.1, and it has executed the production deployment script. So that's how we can create conditional pipelines where we can uh, create some scripts which is like create the condition wherever like all the deployments to the dev will be automated, and for production we can enable the button for deploying it manually.